stop doing pull-ups like this, because this is exactly why most people never get stronger. And the crazy part, a former Navy SEAL I met once told me most beginners shouldn't even start with full pull-ups. At first, I thought he was joking, but then he showed me one mistake that completely changes how strong pull-ups feel. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. He said every strong pull-up is built from 3 states. Most people completely skip the second one. State 1, lock. Before you pull, your body has to become stable. Core tight, glutes tight, ribs down. Your body should move like one connected piece, not like groceries falling out the back of a truck. Now here's the part that completely changed pull-ups for me. Don't think about pulling yourself up. Think about pulling the bar down. Watch this. The second I changed this cue, my pull-ups instantly felt smoother, stronger, and way more controlled. State 2, drive. Most people try to curl themselves over the bar. That's why they gas out so fast. Your hands are just hooks. Your lats are the engine. Drive your elbows toward your back pocket. I used to shake after one ugly rep, but once I fixed state 2, I finally understood why the lowering phase changes everything. State 3, control. The rep isn't over when you reach the top. The lowering phase is where control gets built. 3 slow seconds down. Most people rush this part. That's the mistake. And honestly, if you can't do one pull-up yet, that's not embarrassing. What's embarrassing, Shez, is turning pull-ups into a full-body earthquake. You're actually in the perfect position to learn proper movement from the start. Use a resistance band if you need to. Same movement, same tension, same control. You're not cheating the exercise, you're learning it correctly. Before that SEAL left, he gave me one final piece of advice. Don't practice pull-ups, practice the state, and the reps will come naturally. So today, don't chase more reps, chase better reps. Comment SEAL if you want the full beginner progression.